if someone asks you now, say, whether you support the agitation of IPOP to come out for Nigeria, which will be your answer to that question?
No, that one no good now. We come out, go where?
And which you go tell them?
Come out, go where? The thing be say, make your children understand. You don't forget, say, these people are our children. What I know if you do for this world is to come say, these boys, what they do this, they're not my children, I don't know them. That one, I don't allow anybody to talk. Now our children. We say, make we handle them softly. Make we make them see, understand what in they happen. If you don't make them understand what in they happen, you're going to get problem. If first, everybody agrees, say, this child, though even if they stubborn head, they're a child, you don't solve the problem 50% with that. If say now we go, Igbo man go leave Nigeria, that people like us go talk am. Not be our children go talk am. Because waiting we sit down see, when they stand up, they go say.
Why you won't become the president of Nigeria?
Me, true. Na passion and vision, and him bring me for this kind of business. Me, I know they happy say our country they suffer. Say poor man no fit get something chop. I know they happy say the whole world, and them say now we be the capital for poor people. Poor people. Me that one no make my belly sweet at all. Now him I say I will come out because I feel say I understand the problem where they disturb this country. And I have Nigeria there so now. There are it get three things where they border Nigeria, where I think say me I fit help out, come make Nigeria become bigger country, big country like this. Number one is now be say Nigeria they look for somebody who go make them come together as brother and sister. But what they call unity. Me, because of the kind of thing what I don't do for the past time what they. You go show the whole world, show Nigeria, say, me, I get that kind of heart, where I go make everybody come together. Another one, him be say, what in the us for this country, in him be economy, what in go make people come put food for their table, and come give young men, young boys work, make they do, and young girls work, make they do. You know, if we go do this one, then you go make this country better. Not be too much grammar. The third one will be say plenty now with the cry of insecurity. And if you go remember, this insecurity never started today. But the thing it started small, it increased every day, gradually. Now it's become big now.
How you go take, if you get the opportunity to lead, how you go take tackle the insecurity where they disturb, where they worry seriously your region, that's the Southeast region at this moment?
Number one thing why I feel talk for your question, anywhere you see insecurity can't do too much, make you check by the side, you go see poverty well. If you know do something concerning this poverty, make you the fight insecurity in a waste of time. When the hunger don't enter body well, you know they make person reason well. And when such a situation don't come there for country, the wise thing where go be say government could do that to go engage those people. Because anybody will do now Pekino, now our mothers and our sisters born them.
So you think semi government engaged the armed government where they worry Southeast at the moment?
Make them engage them. The time where the governor for Imo State, 8 years. You know, he had Bakam, you know, he had nothing.
How you take one?
And now the engagement now, they go abuse me tired. They go say everything. They even say they go kill my papa, kill my mama. I go laugh, I'll call them and say, my people, my children, come, make we talk.
What exactly you mean by engagement? Is it having meetings with them?
Not be meetings only now. Engagement. You can make meeting, nothing there from out. That time I can't create what they call youth must work. Can't carry 25,000 of them. Start. I can't say, give me gun. Make I give you work. They begin to work. No wahala. Let him be engagement. Then make you try to talk to them softly. No be quarrel. No be fight. No be abuse. No be right. Once government fail, you know you go get right. You turn them to left, make everybody stay for peace. Now him be governance. And governance, now him be say they take every nonsense when people abuse you. But you say, you be a guy, nobody go abuse you. Then you don't enter trouble with that.
And Senator, some people believe, say, time don't reach for Nigeria to get president with the Igbo. You support that that talk?
That one a true talk, because Nigeria, as they form Nigeria now for 3 leg Nigeria take stand, Igbo, Yoruba, Hausa. So, for as we do Nigeria now, waiting good business, make they allow Igbos complete their cycle, this cycle. After this one, the feel say, okay, make we go for how they do it for democracy. But before you go do democracy, you will get country now. So democracy go stop where equity run. So it's good. Make them consider, just as we say, make the power can shift, can go from north to south. The same way with the talk say. Our brothers from Southwest, make they say reason now. Say they don't hold the thing for 16 years. 8-year vice president, 8-year president. And our brother from South, they don't do the thing for 10 years. Make Igbo man try now. Make it try. What is Shelley?
Don't get several issues with the Nigerian enforcement agencies. In fact,
EFCC.
The day where you declare, say you won't contest, that day, EFCC filed charge, say you and some other people thief 2.9 billion naira from the public purse. So why make this same public vote for you?
So they did not come tell you something. Now you talk, I'm saying that the day where they declare, now they can't announce the thing. It not make you think, say something don't enter something. Okay, I can tell you something, my dear. 2018. You know Transparency International from Geneva, where the headquarters there for Geneva or Switzerland, plus Nigerian Bureau of Statistics. These 2 organizations, big organizations, can't join. Can't they do issue of corruption and who they corrupt, who no they corrupt, state by state. They go everywhere. They work here for almost 3 years. They work. They can't come out their report. And they say Imo State under Rochas, Okorocha was the least for when it comes for corruption. In fact, no corruption for government. The only corruption they see that time, the one will come from security agencies. Why on they read this thing? You on a way be journalists. Look, make you come see Rochas. They talk about 2.9 billion for Rochas or Okorocha. Saying that is why I stay for government. When I no collect 8 billion naira security vote, I left for government. I no buy any car with government money. I no take salary 1 naira since I stayed there for 8 years. Rochas today, no day where I wake up for my life, I know to spend 10 million. Make I take feed all these my thousands of children. Pay the teachers. Wait, make I put you now. Wait, make I put you.
Because now the EFCC.
Wait, make I put you now. Make 10 million naira every day where I take feed these poor children. 10 million times start is 300 million. They go 400 million every month. So for 1 year it's about 4 billion. So if I see 2.9 billion, I be say to feed my children for 6 months. If you say that 2.9 trillion Rochas collect, if for days somehow people go say, Rochas switch off. That one no be true. And I don't say, make gonna show me where the money there. EFCC, them they carry out investigation. So if you write any petition now, I say you now with this red dress you they wear, not my own, that you thief them. Now BBC will carry, this girl a thief. Well, because they say they invite you, make you come talk, whether you thief them or not. But the whole world will say you don't thief them. But after, when the conference say no be true, what will happen? The world no will come back and go no say no. That's it. Now make people not understand. They think anytime when EFCC don't invite you don't become thief with that. Because they only invite you, they go invite you, what do you want make you clear? And until you go court, and court check the thing where they present, say na true, na so you steal them. Now that time you go be thief.
If, for instance, you don't get the ticket to represent APC for the 2023 ballot, and since you believe, say, time don't come for the Igbos to get the chance to become president of Nigeria, you go support the former governor of Anambra State, Peter Obi, for a campaign to become the president?
But wetin go make APC no give me ticket? Make you tell me now. Make you tell me. You no give me ticket, say, I no go, no me go feel win election for the northern part of the country where they vote there. They don't want to win election. How APC go make the mistake if they don't give me? And when you talk about Peter B there for PDP, I there for APC. Me and my party as Sabi. Peter be there for his party.
When I Igbo like
Pius Anyim. We talk about Peter. What of Pius Anyim? Pius Anyim dead there. He man dead there. But me and my party are there. That's what they call party. Party we say don't agree saying that you be family. That one they different. That's why we tell people for Nigeria say make Igbo become candidate for APC and become candidate for PDP. Nah, the matter don't settle. Me, I go support my party.
The office of the president now 100 million naira. You don't buy your nomination form.
They never start. Now tomorrow we will start.
Tomorrow.
And if they start, me, I go buy.
100 million naira.
Me, I go buy 100 million naira. That one not be the problem. 100 million for form. Is they high? Is they too much? Because anybody will buy 100 million for form when no show Nigeria who him be before they climb that government office. Native be that or na EFCC be that. Because you can't show the world how you get the money unless you go show say people contribute the money for you.